DJ gave me another tank. Doesn't have the tank level sensor, but it's alright. Half naked, doesn't have its bottoms on. I don't know what that box is. I know that's a regulator. I did not check to see if it's charging, but these have a high output regulator. Yeah, look at that. Big lift kit.
Need more?
It's hitting that bolt. I wonder if I have to take this, the holder off. Probably, because then it'll come right out. There. Oh yeah. Been patched a few times. Rusty. I don't even know if that float is working in there, huh? I think it's missing one of them rubbers too. There's 2 rubbers on the bottom of that one. I guess while I'm here, I'm probably gonna have to weld a piece back on that. I'll save that for later. This is busted. Oh, that's part of the rack. So if DJ gives me that rack, or if I buy that rack, that'll be good. Well, no, this is that rear bar. Oh no, that's tight. That's what she said. Let's see if we can fix the bead. And no problem for these little lugs. Ooh. Wow, a lot of rust in there. Woo! I could fix the bead leaking, but can't fix that. The dry rot's leaking. Guess I gotta get new tires. I broke this side down, cleaned the whole rim. Oh well. Mo money, mo money. Yeah, I guess I gotta see how much DJ wants for his set of rims and tires. The way she goes, boys. Gotta take that bracket off to be fit. Oh. You gotta put it in the right way though, Cheezo. Now it's put in the proper direction. We can put it back together. DJ does not have a tank with the gauge sender. Not a big deal. I got reserve, right? I see they make plastic tanks for this. Might be an upgrade in the future. Piece of fuel hose. If I could fit a filter right there, it'd be a good spot. I would imagine I could fit a filter there. And we can try her out, boys. Get these shocks back on. You still got that?
Oh yeah. We got a whole parts machine if you want it.
No way.
Free.
I'll take it. What's up, Minitruck? I need you again. Motor rider. Big town of Amenia, New York. We're almost there, Minnie. There's Tim. I didn't bring my friggin' tire filler.
They don't turn anyway.
Oh, it's locked up. Don't turn.
Just slide right up on these ramps though.
Yeah, that winch will pull it up.
The wheels don't turn.
Look at them friggin' things. Those aren't the rear rims though, right?
These are the front wheels.
They're all fronts, right?
These are the original fronts. Those are the fronts off the other four-wheeler.
Ah.
Because I needed the back wheels for that one, but they were rotten.
She's a cream puff. We'll drag her.
Yeah. How's your ride?
Good. Well, right up 22. With the supercharger, she rips.
Yeah, big difference.
Oh my God. Flattens the hills right out. I don't even have to downshift. I could do 60 like the whole way. Wonder why it doesn't roll.
30 years this thing's been sitting?
Holy cow, that long? That's trying to go. Like you could see, watch. Are you sure that's a neutral? Try it again.
All the way down now.
That winch, man, that comes in handy, huh?
Yeah, the rack is stout. That's a lot.
I reinforced a whole bunch of it, yeah. If I pull enough weight on that, the doors won't shut because it racks that freaking cab. But that's a 3,500 pound winch.
I'm glad you could use it.
Oh, yeah.
It still turns over.
Yeah, you said, huh? It must be, like you said, the drum brakes must be locked right up.
Yeah.
I mean, the racks are good. The plastic is, I can't believe the plastic's not bad.
I know. I thought it'd be more trash than that.
You could probably hit that with a torch light and it'll probably come right back. Oh, yeah, that's still on there. It's got the whole rack. Where's the key? What? No seat?
Sorry.
What the heck?
Sorry.
I don't want it. Oh, looks like they're, look at, they're mashed right in there.
Ah, look at that.
That could be why.
There you go. So
They're frozen right on.
For you.
No.
Anyway.
Oh, those?
They won't work then.
No, they're too little.
Shit. Oh well.
Is the battery any good?
It might be.
This still has the original cover for the battery.
Nice.
That's insane.
No charge
Oh,
for
snakeskin, baby.
No charge for that.
That, no? All right. It does turn over. Holy shit. Wow. Oh, this has a different decompression thing on mine. It's the lever. This one's hooked with a cable.
Automatic like that one over there.
Yeah.
That.
So this might be the 89.
There's no hour meter on it.
Oh, this doesn't have the hour meter.
No.
Can you read it?
Nope.
87? Yeah, look.
Oh wow.
So it's a year before mine. Fuel pump's gone. Who stole that?
Boogie man.
Oh, the stator wires. Huh.
What is it?
Right there.
Oh.
Pretty sure that's what it is. That's awesome, thanks. This bar was on mine. That thing's all mangled and even the racks. The header on this thing still on it? You said it was, oh, it is? Oh yeah, look at it. Holy mackerel.
The bolts are on there.
Holy shit. Oh, this doesn't have the coil wire.
I bet you Callie ripped that off in her.
Oh, looking for the mice? Yeah, there's her teeth marks. Biting for them mice.
Yeah. She ripped this thing off the other side.
No. Oh.
Who's that?
These are freaking expensive. Oh, she did. Look at. It's got teeth marks. Oh my god.
Right there.
She's a mouser. Oh, I didn't even realize it was gone. That's the only crack too, huh? Nice.
Got your fuel.
Yeah.
I think yours has more time on it than this one. Everything, the foot pegs and stuff are.
Yeah, they're not beat up. They're all straightened out. All-wheel drive, limited slip in the front on these. I'll have her running in an hour. No, I'm not even gonna mess with that. Thanks again. Get her, Minnie. You got passed by Minitruck. What? Look at all them bunny rabbits. 3 bunny rabbits. No wonder Gizmo likes coming down here.
It's a little sun-kissed.
Yeah. That's insane. His dog literally busted this up getting the mice. Holy cow. It would have been mint, except, you know, faded. What do you think? Get this one going? Since it's all there and it's in better shape, and buy the parts for that from DJ, and he's giving me a bunch of parts too. Then I can have 2 of them. Maybe that's not holding it up. Let's see if these tires will pump up. Get to use a grinder now. That brake is seized. Or is it possible the rear end is seized? I mean, if they ran this dry, but I don't see any wet marks. Nope. Still good, and probably up to the level because it's just a little low and it's leaning to the right. Leads me to believe it's brakes. Huh, moving a little. Wow. 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 Wow, I think it'll roll now. A little jarring. Mm-hmm. So the fronts will fit on the back and not rub. Didn't know that. Gotta pump that one up again and she should roll off. Should. Doing a review on that Art Captain. Probably be a later video. I'm still working on that. Acorns. Oh yeah, look, she's rolling. It rolls good now. Got to clean the back of Mini. Can't put this back down on dirt. Mini is the best work truck ever. That's right, girl. Still looks good under there. Didn't mean to peek under your skirt, Mini. 87 had a full cage around it. And this one had a handle, which is missing. Oof. Probably back when gasoline had lead in it. Tank don't leak. Besides the filler neck and stuff here, that tank actually looks okay. I could definitely use that. Looking this over, I think I'm just going to do the back fender because this is cracked here and that's all scratched up, beat up there. Yeah, probably not worth it. And I'll probably keep this front rack. So you'll probably never even see that brake. Or that brake. Yeah, maybe I'll just do the back fender. Save that rack and stuff. This back rack is a little beat up. A lot better than that one though, so we'll use the back rack. It's missing this flip thing. And that's a permanent thing on there, so there might be a way to transfer that over. So yeah, we'll just use this bar, the rack, and the rear plastics. That's undone. Looks like this is ready to come off. Want that? Looks like it's just a garter snake anyway. That's what that other little plate is, huh? Covers the battery. Never knew that. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. It's expected. First one. There. Let's go down and see which one's in better shape. This one's never been apart. I sprayed the ants, but Mama says they're all over still. I'm sure this battery's no good. Wow, this still has a bracket to hold the battery. Holy macaroni. What the heck? Oh boy, huh? They're all in there. They like it in here. A lot better than that one. I looked it up, that says 4x110 on a mini truck, and these are 4x110. I have beadlock rims, but this has such a big offset, I couldn't put 4 of them. The front would be sticking way out. Whoops. Oh no, you're gonna melt. You better put that hose. Oh, well. Not in that great a shape, is it? I'll keep the water out for now. Wow, I can't believe I got one off and one broke. I think they would have designed something a little better than that. Actually, I don't care if that one breaks. I'm gonna pull the washer out just so I can grab enough thread to hold it in there. Good enough. A little better. I'm not going to put the battery cover on quite yet. I don't have the clip, but still keep it pretty waterproof. I have to do something about this. Now, if these lights are working or not, but we'll find out. I should probably paint this. Now would be the time. I gotta straighten it out a little because it's a little crooked. Definitely want to do something with that. I know they have them plastic welders. How many Mises do you think is in here? Oh, lots of Mises. And that's exactly why I am mouse proofing that. I gotta find where that air inlet comes in. Is this where it comes in? I have to get under there and look. Then I gotta check the fan too, huh? I'm missing this piece. Oh, we'll take it off and save it. Yeah, I think I'm going to take that rack apart and try to straighten it and paint it up before I put it on. Stay tuned.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.